Ever struggled with messy drives, dead phones, or unsafe trips? Today, I'm revealing smart car gadgets that quietly solve these everyday frustrations and upgrade your driving experience. Stay till the end for must-have picks you didn't know you needed, and if something clicks, grab it easily through the links in the description below. The moment you sit down shouldn't feel like stepping onto heated leather. It's a quiet frustration every driver knows. Let's break it down. Hot weather turns your seat into a heat trap. Sweat builds, focus drops, even short drives feel longer than they should. Now, the upgraded cooling car seat cove steps in with a practical shift. First layer, airflow. Built-in fans pull air through breathable mesh, reducing that sticky buildup almost instantly. Second, comfort. It doesn't just cool, it supports your posture without feeling bulky. Here's the real difference. Basic mesh covers only allow air to pass. This actively circulates it, often lowering perceived heat significantly in daily driving. But keep expectations real. It depends on your car's interior temperature, and yes, you'll need to plug it in. Who's it for? Daily commuters, long-distance drivers, anyone tired of arriving drenched. In the end, it's not about luxury, it's about reclaiming calm, one cooler drive at a time.
Chaos in your trunk isn't just messy, it quietly steals time, space, and peace of mind. Let's face it, groceries roll, tools disappear, emergency items get buried when you need them most. Here's where the collapsible trunk organizer changes the rhythm. Start with structure. Multiple compartments instantly separate your essentials, groceries, gear, cleaning supplies, all in one controlled space. Next, flexibility. Its collapsible design folds flat when not needed, saving space without adding clutter. Now the real-world impact. No more chasing items after every turn. Everything stays put, easy to access and ready when you are. Compared to rigid storage boxes, this feels lighter, adaptable, and easier to carry. But yes, it may not feel as hard-shell sturdy under heavy loads. Who should get it? Busy drivers, families, road trip lovers, anyone tired of trunk chaos. Because once everything has a place, your drive finally feels in control again. Sunlight doesn't just enter your car, it slowly takes over the entire experience. Let's break the reality. Harsh glare, rising cabin heat, passengers squinting, kids in the back getting restless. Even privacy feels compromised on busy roads. Now comes the shift with ClimeArt magnetic car window shades. First, instant setup. Magnetic edges snap into place within seconds. No suction cups, no slipping, just a clean, secure fit. Next, smart protection. These breathable mesh shades block harmful UV rays while still allowing airflow, keeping the cabin noticeably cooler and more comfortable. Then, quiet privacy. From outside, visibility drops. Inside, you feel more at ease, especially for families or long drives. Compared to basic stick-on shades, these feel more tailored and stable. But there's a trade-off. Fit depends on your car model, and gaps can happen if sizing isn't perfect. Who should consider it? Daily commuters, parents, travelers chasing cooler, calmer rides. Because sometimes, peace in a car isn't silence, it's shade that finally works with you.
A single missed glance can change everything, and that's the uncomfortable truth most drivers live with. Let's slow this down. Blind spots are real. Mirrors don't show everything, and during lane changes, even a second of uncertainty can lead to dangerous moments. This is where blind spot monitoring quietly steps in. First, awareness. Using radar or sensors, it watches the areas you physically can't see, tracking vehicles beside and slightly behind you. Next, alerts. A small light, a subtle beep, simple signals that tell you, wait, not yet. Now the real impact. Fewer risky lane changes, less second-guessing in traffic. Even studies show it can reduce lane change crashes and injuries significantly. Compared to basic convex mirrors, this isn't guesswork, it's active assistance. But keep perspective. Sensors can miss things in extreme conditions, and it's not a replacement for checking mirrors. Who is it for? new drivers, highway commuters, anyone navigating busy roads daily. Because sometimes the smallest warning is what keeps your story moving forward.
And just like that, your daily drive doesn't have to feel stressful, messy, or uncomfortable anymore. These car gadgets aren't just upgrades, they solve real problems drivers face every single day. From staying cool to staying organized to staying safe with tools like blind spot monitoring that actively watch what you can't see. Now, here's your move. Don't just watch, upgrade your driving experience. All the products featured in this video are linked in the description below, so you can check them out the Sahona and pick what fits your needs. And don't forget to subscribe. It'll help me bring more cool and useful gadgets to you. Because at the end of the day, a smarter car setup doesn't just change your ride. It quietly transforms how you feel every time you hit the road.